Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the camera zoom on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to launch the camera app. Now you can see the zoom. This is the maximum zoom of this camera. Now I'm going to show you how to increase the zoom of iPhone camera. Now force close all the app that are running in the background, include the camera app, and swipe down little bit for search, and we have to search for magnifier. Now tap to launch this application. Now you can zoom and you will see the difference and the zoom quality. By this method you can increase the zoom of your camera in your iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.